Hello everyone, let's get started. It's now time to buy my first challenge. So we are here on the TradingCult website. Let's go to challenge. I'm gonna choose the 2 evaluation process, and I believe that it's good to start with the $500 simply because I want to start with 100,000. I think it's a good amount to start with. So let's click on buy challenge here. And now I have the 2 evaluation. I'm going to click on the $100,000 MT4 no profit share. So let's get started with my first name, my surname, my email address. I don't need to put my phone number here, so that's fine. I'm just going to put now my physical address, country, the state and city, my postal code. I accept terms and condition, and I click on process order. So I proceed with the payment. I'm here on the checkout. I'm going to choose credit card to make my purchase here. So let's just enter the card number, CVV. Okay, now I accept the terms and condition, and let's get started. Perfect. So the payment is done. Let's go to my inbox now. So I'm gonna have a look at the emails that I've received. So here I have my login details for my account, and in here I have the login details for my client cabinet. Okay, let's log in here, and here I am in my back office. I have my $100,000 challenge, login details, everything that I need. Follow me on this journey to become a funded trader with my $100,000 account. I'll see you soon when the trading gets started. Until then, take care. Bye bye.